Let's start. The project name is Custom Snack Bar. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Also we have custom_layout.xml file, which we will use as the custom layout for the snack bar. Let's see the UI first. Here we have a button with Show Custom Snack Bar as the text. Let's see the code. So we have constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the button. In the custom_layout, we have an image view and a button with woh.it.wala as the text. Let's see the code. Here we have constraint layout as the root layout, and the ID name is root layout, which we will use later. This is the image view. And this is the button. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members of the class. In the onCreate function, first we inflate the custom view from the custom_layout.xml file. Then we set the onClick listener of the button. In the onClick function, we have created the snack bar. Then we have set the background color to transparent, otherwise the background color would be either black or white. Then we get the snack bar layout, which we will need to implement the custom view. Next, we find the button view from the custom layout. Then we set its onClick listener. When the user clicks this button, we dismiss the snack bar and show a toast. Finally we add the custom view to the snack bar layout, and show it. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button, a custom snack bar is shown, and when I click this button, the snack bar gets dismissed with a toast. So that's it. That's how you can implement the custom snack bar in Java Android. Thanks for watching.